Hi guys, this is Srikanth. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you whether the website is crawled or not. Okay. For example, I will open one website that is tryred.com. Okay. So this is one website. Okay, and I want to find out whether this website is crawled or not in search engine. Okay, then how to check in search engine whether this website is crawled or not, I will show you. Just open any browser. Okay, now I am opening Google browser. Sorry, it's already opened. Okay, now I will type like site ://https tryred.com. okay, just enter. Now you see here you got the results like 115 results. This means this website is crawled in search engine. Okay, so to find out, just simply site ://https and which website you want, tryred.com. I'm checking. Now I want to check one more website, that is digital floats. Okay, this is one website. I want to know whether this website is crawled or not. Just I'm copying this link here and I'm removing all these things. Okay, so I'm removing this also. Now enter, search. Okay, now see here you got 152 results. Okay, this means this digital floats is crawled in search engine. Okay, you see here all these results are digital floats only. Okay, you will see only the digital floats results. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.